let's talk about Lakebase. Databricks has launched it as a new category, and not just new databases, but a new way of thinking operational databases, right? I think it was launched around June 2025 as a preview, but it just got generally available as of February 2026.
So Lakebase was initially launched as part of the Databricks Data and AI Summit, where it was introduced as a first of a kind Postgres database built specifically for AI agents. This was originally in the preview phase where we did a lot of battle testing for enterprise workloads, and then it went into GA where a lot of production grade features were added to it.
And what new capabilities came with that? What has changed basically?
So it has brought in automated backups. We've got point in time recovery now down to the millisecond. It has also brought in support for Postgres 17, including PG vectors for specifically AI agents. And it has increased storage capacities up to 8 terabytes per instance.
And one more thing is Lakebase has been positioned as a database for AI agents. So I just wanted to know why do AI agents need a different kind of database? What's wrong with the current one?
See, the short answer is that traditional databases were designed for humans using software. So we would be writing queries and hitting the database, but that happens at a very different frequency compared to how AI agents access databases. AI agents might need to spin up and spin down dynamically. They might, for instance, want to clone a database, perform some sort of analysis on it, then delete that instance. They would do analysis on the data, aggregate, and eventually give you the refined answer. And all of this has to be done without ETL pipelines and the way traditional databases are used. So AI agents have a different demand, and Lakebase addresses that demand by separating the storage from the compute. So now the database engine has a dedicated serverless compute which can spin up and spin down as and when needed. And this eliminates the problem that AI agents face with traditional databases.